Republicans say that they are trying tonight to clarify parts of North Carolina's new abortion bill, that law that's going to take effect this week.
State lawmakers will vote tonight on changes to that law less than 48 hours before they'll be in court defending it. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh with a closer look at what's at stake. Michael.
Yeah, this is unusual to see lawmakers trying to change the law while there's still a pending legal challenge, but they say these changes are to try to make clear what they meant to do when they passed the bill in the first place.
New restrictions on abortion in North Carolina will begin Saturday, but before that happens, there could be some last-minute changes. The state Senate is voting Monday on several changes to the law after Planned Parenthood filed a lawsuit, saying certain provisions are contradictory or unconstitutional.
Regardless of what happens with the vote tonight, we will still take this bill to court.
Planned Parenthood wasn't able to win the battle in the legislature, so now they've taken the battle to the court.
Republicans unexpectedly rolled out these changes late last week, saying they're technical and clarifying in nature. One example is to say that medication abortions would remain legal through the 12th week of pregnancy. Jillian Riley, a spokesperson for Planned Parenthood South Atlantic, says the amendment being voted on does not address all the issues raised in the lawsuit.
And then coming back weeks later, trying to amend a bill that they pushed forward through within 2 weeks shows that it was a sloppily drafted bill.
This is what we were saying would be allowed and what would not, and this keeps it in that same vein, just making sure that the language of the bill is clear.
Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein, who is running for governor, says he won't defend parts of the law he says are unconstitutional. Republicans in the legislature can do that instead after a federal judge decided to allow them to participate in an emergency hearing Wednesday.
We're so excited that we finally have the opportunity to pass meaningful legislation that is the first step toward making North Carolina a pro-life state.
No matter how many changes are made, it is still an abortion ban, and it is still going into effect this Saturday.
After tonight's vote, the House would have to take up these proposed changes later this week, so it's unlikely that all gets resolved in time for when this law takes effect on Saturday. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.